Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into CJ Affiliate in 2025, a beginner-friendly guide to help you start earning through affiliate marketing. Let's get started. 1. What is CJ Affiliate? CJ Affiliate, formerly Commission Junction, is one of the largest affiliate networks, connecting marketers with top brands to promote products and earn commissions. 2. How to sign up. Head to cj.com and sign up as a publisher. Complete your profile, including your website or social media details. Wait for approval, which typically takes a few days. Now 3. Finding affiliate programs. Browse the advertisers section to find brands that match your niche. Apply to programs and wait for approval from individual advertisers. 4. Getting affiliate links. Once approved, go to the links section. Select a product and generate your unique tracking link. Share it on your blog, YouTube, or social media. 5. Earning commissions. Earn commissions when someone clicks your link and makes a purchase. Track your earnings in the performance dashboard. Withdraw funds via direct deposit or Payoneer when you reach the minimum payout. That's it for this CJ Affiliate Beginner's Guide. Start promoting, track your earnings, and grow your affiliate income in 2025. Drop your questions in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.